Dear Melissa, since we started talking about 10 months ago, I noticed quite soon that I found someone special. You're a commendable, intelligent woman with a caring heart for the world and people around you.
We can talk and laugh on anything together. Furthermore, I've appreciated your beauty from the start.
And now, with God's blessing, I will permanently fasten my love unto your love.
And together as a couple, we will soar higher till eternity. I love you more than the distance that separates us. I love you more than the arguments ahead of us. I love you forever.
No matter how loud you snore, or how meticulous and strict you are in every single detail of every decision we are going to make. I love the way you treat me, and it makes me feel like I am a princess, even if I am a little kind of brat sometimes.
People say that beauty will fade, but your beautiful facial features will still be there even if there are some wrinkles coming with it. I want to look at that face for the rest of my days.
When I saw you standing there under the stars, I knew it wouldn't be the last time. Scrolling through the memories of when we began, I couldn't find a single regret.
Dear Richard, from this day forward, I promise to love and accept you from all that you are, as I always love that handsome face, even if you always love to drink plenty cups of coffee in a day.
There's a beauty that guides us like a fire in the night, as the sun shines upon each new day. There's a beauty that guides us like a fire in the night, as the sun shines upon each new day. There's a beauty that guides us like a fire in the night, as the sun shines upon each new day. There's a beauty that guides us like a fire in the night, as the sun shines upon each new day. We could write and end the story through the struggle.
I promise to love you like a prince and give you patience, care, and understanding, for better and for worse. Now I promise to be forever faithful to you. I am your companion and we are always a team. My weakness is your strength, and your strength is my weakness. Without each other, we will fall.
We will never fade